Hello, my name's Martin Fish and today we're going to look at the Cobra Fortis cylinder mower and also the lawn care system, of which there are 6 interchangeable cylinders which will help to keep your lawn in perfect condition. All the mowers in the Cobra Fortis range come with the 6-bladed cylinder, which gives a brilliant cut on the lawn. But if you want that really special cut, one of the cassettes that you can get that is interchangeable is this one, and this is a 10-bladed cylinder, and it means you get more cuts per metre, so a finer cut and an overall better finish with it. So that is something that is worth considering when you want those immaculate striped lawns. And what we've also done with this is we've taken off the standard front roller that it comes with, which is just a flat roller, and we've put on this grooved roller here, and this, when it goes along, doesn't flatten all of the grass. As you can see, it's got grooves in there. And then we've also fitted the lawn rake, and this is designed to then lift the grass in an upright position before the cylinder does its cutting operation. And you can fit all of these or part of them. They all come separately as part of the lawn care range. So we've got all of this on there. What I'm going to do now is to fit the box on, and we'll do some mowing with it just to show you the fine cut that it gives. So there you can see it's made an amazing job. If I just take off the grass box here, we can see that the clippings are very fine. Because we've got those 10 blades on, you've got so many more cuts per metre, so it makes a really good finish. Now, on the height of cut with this, you can go down as low as 3 millimetres up to about 28. We're mowing at the moment at 23 mil, which is just under an inch. So you've got that variety in cutting heights there, so you can adjust that to suit the lawn that you're mowing. And as well as mowing large domestic lawns with this, it's also perfect for bowling greens, croquet lawns or tennis courts where you want that super finish. For more information on the Cobra Fortis range and for details of lawn care and the lawn care calendar, go to cobragarden.co.uk.